Hello friends, welcome to our channel .NET Interview Community. So friends, I'm excited about this new video on the software development lifecycle that will be the part of your interview journey. And we are going to discuss about the most basic question today. So friend, the first question that may arise is, what is the software development? And friends, we all are living in the IT era. So, the software development is the process of transforming a problem or need into a computer based solution. That's where the software development comes into the picture. And now, how a software development is done. So, software development is a collaborative process that involves the problem identification, requirement gathering, architect and design, then coding, testing, deployment, and then the maintenance. So these are the processes that are involved in the software development part. So friends, over here, the problem identification is a process where anyone will be identifying a problem. For an example, let's say the calculation or doing addition, subtraction, multiplication or division of number, that is a problem statement for us, and how we are going to achieve a solution with the help of computer or any programming language to get the solution for these calculation questions. So that will be our problem identification. Now the second question is the requirement gathering. Now what we will be going to do for the requirement gathering in the part of when we have done the problem identification. We identified that the calculation is a problem, right? We are not able to calculate or perform some calculations. So now in the requirement gathering we will be trying to gather the requirement that how many numbers we are going to, on which we are going to perform the calculation, right? Whether that will be a real number or that will be an imaginary numbers, right? So these are kind of the questions that we will be try to get answer clarified before we are going to start building upon any software that will be addressing our problem situation. Once the requirement gathering is completed, then a design or an architect for the solution is being discussed, and that design is being finalized or architect is being finalized. So in this phase, what a person will be doing, or a company or anyone will be looking into the design part, that whether he will be providing a web-based solution or a desktop application solution, or he will just simply create some API that will be called, and that will be gathering the inputs, and then it will be delivering the output part. So this is the work on design or the architect part. It's a very basic problem statement that we have taken for an example purpose, but in the real world there will be a lot more challenging problem statement that will be involving the architect level for a proposed solution. Once the design and architect is finalized, then according to the architect and design, then the coding part comes into the picture, and where the actual code for the any of the software is being created. And after the coding is being completed, then the testing is being taken done for that software. After the testing is being completed, then that software is being deployed in the live environment, where the actual users or the problem that is required to be addressed with this software is being taken care. So that's the part of deployment, and post deployment that comes a very critical phase, that is the maintenance part. So in maintenance you have to see like how the software is behaving, or what is it going to address your end user expectations or not, and if there are any modifications or challenges are coming during the maintenance phase, then again the software will come again into the development life cycle, and then it has to be address all the challenges or enhancement that are being requested. So these are the processes which are involved in software development. As we will progress in upcoming videos, we'll discuss more elaborate on the software development life cycle. So for today's question, what is software development? We have covered this. Software development is a process of transforming a problem or need into a computer based solution. That's software development, and it involves the process that collaborates to do a software development. And the collaborative processes are problem identification, requirement gathering, architect and design, coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance. So, this is a well framed answer for the question, what is the software development? So, friends, I hope you have learned about this question and how to give your answer on this, and you also got a real life scenario so that you can explain this question very well. If you need more information or if you have any questions, do mention in comment. We'll get back to you with the answer or any explanation. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel, and let us know if there are any interesting topics on which you want the videos to be shared. Thank you, friends. Bye.